In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export InCopy stories to PDF. Let's start right inside Adobe InCopy. Launch the app and give it a moment to load your workspaces. When you're in, open the document that contains the story you want to share. You can use File, then Open, or simply choose it from your recent files. Once the document is open, make sure you're targeting the exact text you plan to export. Select the Type tool, the T icon in the toolbar, and click inside the story. This tells InCopy which story to process, which is especially important if your document includes multiple threaded stories or assignments. Now head up to the File menu and choose Export. This opens a dialog where you'll pick a location and set your export format. In the Format list, choose Adobe PDF. On Windows, this appears under Save as Type. On macOS, you'll see it under Format. Give your file a clear, memorable name and choose a folder where your team expects to find exports. When you're ready, click Save to move to the next screen. You're now in the PDF export dialog. Look for the View menu. This controls what version of the story you're sending to PDF. If you choose Layout, InCopy exports the story as it appears in the InDesign document, complete with design elements, images, and typographic styling. This is perfect when reviewers need to see how the text lives in the actual layout. If you choose Galley in Story, you'll export the text-only view you see in InCopy. This option removes layout distractions and focuses purely on content, which makes it ideal for editorial review, proofreading, and accessibility-minded checks. It's a clean, readable output that keeps attention on the words. If you're exporting in Layout view and you use Notes, enable Include Notes as annotation. This converts your InCopy notes into PDF comments so reviewers can see context directly in their PDF reader without hunting through the file. If you're exporting in Galley or Story view, you can opt to include track changes markings. This is helpful when you want collaborators to see insertions and deletions exactly as they appear during the edit process, preserving transparency and speeding up approval cycles. Once you've confirmed your choices, click Export. InCopy generates the PDF using your selected settings and places it in the location you chose. That's it. Your story is now ready to share with designers, editors, or stakeholders in the format they'll find easiest to review.